You are probably aware that remote calls are a one-shot thing. In other words, if you make a remote call to a connected client, clients which join afterwards will not receive that remote call or have any knowledge of the data transmitted. There are any number of reasons why you may want to synchronize remote calls to late joiners. In my example, I'm going to use a remote call to change a player's color. As I change the color on my player, you can see it is updating the sprite on both the client as well as the server. However, note when I join a new client, they do not see the latest values. Here is a quick look at the code running those color changes. If a key is pressed on the authoritative client, then the client changes their sprite color, and then they send a command to the server to also change the color. Once the server receives the command, it tells the other clients to also change to the new color. I have a new build up, now with the ability to update remote calls to late joiners. Like before, when I change my color on the client, it also changes on the server. But now, when I connect a new client, they also show the correct color. To gain access to the full version of this tutorial, as well as dozens others, check out the description of this video.